How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, you have to make sure you have updated your Messenger. So let's go ahead and open up our Play Store. From here, type in Messenger, then tap onto Messenger. If you see update here, tap on update. If not, leave this as it is and open up your settings. In here, scroll below until you see the option of apps. From here, at the search bar, type in Messenger. Here you will see notifications, tap it, and make sure that you have allowed notifications. If not, you can simply toggle on the button that says Allow Notifications. Now come back, then tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. Once done, come back onto App Info page, then you will see Appear on top. Now this is the option that you should take notice of. Tap onto it, then tap on Allow Permissions. Again, come back, then tap on Picture in Picture, and also make sure that you have allowed permissions for this. Once it's done, you are good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.